Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp notification for your WooCommerce orders. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your admin panel and simply now all we need to do is to add this WhatsApp feature to our store. And basically to do that, you will need just to add either extensions like WooCommerce extensions or adding plugins. So here I'm just going to do WooCommerce Marketplace and you can simply search for the WhatsApp so we can have some WhatsApp notifications. So here you can either have order on WhatsApp, so you can allow customers to place order from WhatsApp, but what we are interested in is the notification with WhatsApp. And then you can choose whatever extension you'd like. But in my case, I'm just going for the plugin and I'm just going to add WhatsApp. So from here, I'm just going to choose or search for WhatsApp. And from here, you can find already that there are many plugins for that. So this is one for the chat. This is also for a chat widget. But what we are interested in is to integrate and send WhatsApp notification for WooCommerce order using the WhatsApp API. So then you will need just to install the plugin and activate it. And basically you can find it in your plugin, and in my case I'm just going to like this click on it, or you can find it in your plugins, and then I'm just going to the setup. So here let's go again to install the plugins, and I'm just going to search for my WhatsApp plugin so we can set up our plugin. And this is my plugin. I'm just going to click on setting, and from here we will be needing to add in all our WC messaging, and you will need just to add your number, your business account, ID, etc. You set changes, and then in your orders you can start having send notification, for example, for this order. So from here you will have the action for sending notifications, and from there you can have your notification WhatsApp that will be sent. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.